Hi everyone, Michelle here at Serendipity.House in New Hampshire. I've just completed a fun project with the new Dewdrops mold from Iron Orchid Designs, making some magnets and plant stakes. I created these using the DIY paint making powders. These are really strong, vibrant pigments. I didn't realize until after they dried that I had accidentally bought a gloss clear coat. Usually I'm all about the matte and the grunge. What happened is this. This is making powder dusted into my mold with a high gloss sealer. I have magnets on the back of these, and I turned some into plant stakes. Look at the color. This one's Toadstool. You'll find a product list below in my description with links to everything that you can purchase on my website, Serendipity.House. Thanks for watching the video. Have fun creating. I'm using a soft artist brush and DIY paint making powders. Remember that the colors that are first put down into the mold are the colors that are going to show when you remove the resin from the mold. Next, you're going to mix your resin according to the directions on the package. I'm using the amazing quick set resin that sets up white in about 10 minutes. The micro rim on the Iron Orchid Designs molds are going to help you keep your resin right where it belongs. If you do spill a little bit over, don't worry, I'll show you how to clean that up. The quickset resin turns white as it dries. When it's completely white, it's ready to take out. Gently bend your Iron Orchid Designs mold and pop the designs right out. At this point, the color is going to be very matte. It's the gloss top coat that's really going to make these come alive. To be honest, I am not really one of those neat crafters. So look, here I spilled over the edge of my snail. Grab an X-Acto knife and it should come off pretty easily and no one will ever know. My second batch is going to be plant stakes. So I found some skewers and I am going to secure those right into the resin. I'm also going to do a two-sided ladybug and dragonfly because those two are mirror images. Now here's the part that I unexpectedly figured out makes these look like glass or ceramics. It's the high gloss spray. A few more finishing touches, one more coat of spray and magnets on the back, and we're done.